What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, 2016, we got a problem here. We got no coolant. It came to us for an obvious coolant leak, and I want to show you guys where the coolant is leaking so that you guys can pay attention and monitor yours if you don't have coolant in your bottle. Alright guys, we're under the truck. You can see a little piece of coolant here. Here's the upper oil pan. Coolant there. And I want to try to show you. I don't know how I'm going to get the shot. Where is it at? This is the water pump. Maybe I can show you right here. There we go. Okay, let me zoom in for you guys. Let's see here. Sorry about that. Okay, there's the water pump. You can see just to the left or the right of that stain how dry it is, the aluminum, and then you can see how wet it is. Can't even stick my hand in there. But yeah, I can. You can see how wet it is right there. It's leaking from behind the pulley and leaking all the way down the front of the motor, as you can see right there. So be mindful and check your water pump for any leaks, because you might start having little drips of orange coolant where you park, and possibly orange coolant looking like that. So, alright, we're going to tear everything down, and I'm going to show you guys how to remove your water pump. Alright, here we are back to the water pump. Here it is. Water pump all the way down and around. We're going to go ahead. I have, for demonstration purposes, I've removed the alternator bracket and power steering pump. I haven't disconnected any lines. There's 4 bolts holding the power steering pump bracket on to the front of the driver's head. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I just took that and I just laid it down in front of the crank so that I can show you guys easier how to get to these bolts down here. The wiring harness trough has got 2 bolting locations, one here and one down here, and they're a real pain in the butt to get to. So here we are with our 10 milli. Gonna go ahead and rip all these big boys out. Number 1 right here, Milwaukee. Okay, then we got another 10 milli right here, somewhere. I semi-feel it. Yep, it's right there, right in the corner of this webbing. Okay, 10 milli, got it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pull that out. They are different lengths. Got it. There we go. I'll take the green one. Okay, get a little more luminescence in here. Okay, so we got all of our 10 millis out. Now we're gonna have to go after, excuse me, all of our 8 millis. Go ahead and get the hard ones first. It's dinner time. Hey Clint, what's for supper? Okay, you guys can see Come on, all those 8 millis that I've already loosened. I'm gonna go down here. I'm gonna pull them out so we don't lose any of our fasteners. Okay, I'm gonna continue around. I don't know if you guys have taken a water pump off of a 6.7 before, but if you haven't, I want you to be prepared to capture a lot of fluid. That actually might work out where it fell, because there's going to be Old Faithful geyser coming out of the engine. Okay, so far so good. Likey. Okay, I had one more 8 milli right there. Let's see. Okay. All right. Come on, little bolt. Stay in the hole. Oh, magnet. We got a casualty. I see it. I see it. Okay, got the missing bolt. Alright, you guys, so all the fasteners, I'm going to double check really quick, are out of el water pump, and we are going to give it a little pry. There's a little ear right here, right there. Barely tapping, just flexing. You guys can see the whole case is, whole housing starting to flex, just trying to break that gasket. You guys can see it right there. It'll come loose. There it is, you guys. We're making a huge mess under here. Just coolant. There it is, everybody, right there. Here comes your primary water pump. There's the front of the engine. Primary water pump coming at you, live and in living color. Let's check out that leak point. Let's check out that leak point. There it is, right there. This was the belly side. All of our coolant was leaking out the belly, wasn't leaking out the top. See how it is down behind that pulley? Right in there. So, conclusion. Primary water pump leaking. It is covered under your diesel warranty, depending on your mileage, engine hours, and date of in-service. But yeah, this is 6.7 primary water pump. Tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section below. Let me know if anybody's ever had to replace their water pump, if it went well, if they had to have somebody else do it, or if they did it. So, alright, tell me what you guys think. I'll see you guys next Friday. Thanks. See you.